AirDrop is a universal share tool built into your iPhone and pretty much all Apple products that allows you to share, well, pretty much anything. It's wireless, it's fast, secure, and it doesn't require an internet connection or cellular connection. It works through Bluetooth and a direct Wi-Fi connection between two devices. A very common way to use AirDrop would be to share photos and videos. I can pull up a photo on my phone and then tap the share button on the bottom left corner. I'll see some suggested contacts on the top, or I can tap the AirDrop button to view all nearby devices that are available. Then I'll just choose who I want to AirDrop this photo to, and it gets transferred wirelessly to my other phone. This is great for sharing photos and videos because, unlike messaging services and email, AirDrop never compresses your files, meaning you always get the full original quality. If you're AirDropping to your own devices, the transfer happens automatically. If you're AirDropping to a friend or someone else, they'll get a notification saying you're asking to AirDrop, and they can accept that to allow the file transfer. This is by all means not limited to just photos and videos. You can AirDrop documents, websites, contact info, notes, addresses on the map, and pretty much anything. I can take a website like this, for example, and share it directly to the other phone via AirDrop without having to send links back and forth. The other phone will take the site and load up the page in Safari without having to lift a finger. Or let's say I want to share someone's phone number. I can pull up the contact from the Contacts app and then share it via AirDrop. And once again, it'll open up on the other phone where I can save it with a single tap. If you're exchanging your own contact info with someone, you don't even need to manually send anything. The NameDrop feature allows you to put two iPhones together like this, and the contact info will be shared between the two. The only requirement here is that both phones are unlocked and facing each other. One common issue is that sometimes you don't see your friend's phone in the AirDrop menu. This is because by default, AirDrop is enabled for contacts only, and anyone outside of your contact list can't see you in their AirDrop menu. If you go to the control center and tap and hold the Wi-Fi icon, you'll see your AirDrop options here. I can change it from the contacts only setting to allow everyone for the next 10 minutes. This will allow any nearby device to submit files via AirDrop. You can also do the same thing in your settings. Go to Settings and search for AirDrop. You'll get the same options on the top. And that's how you use AirDrop. Click the like button if this helped and subscribe for more guides like this.